In this video, I'll show you how you can create a shared Google Photos album. You'll be able to create the album, then get the link to share it with people, or invite them by email. So what you need to do is first go to Google Photos, so just search for Google Photos and then go ahead and click on the sign in button. Provided you're already signed into Google, you will then be taken to this window where you may or may not have photos already. We're going to create an album which is separate to your personal photos, so go to Collections, then click on Albums. From here you'll see any existing albums, and what you can do is you can go ahead and create the album. You can also do this on your phone, but I like to create the album on the computer, get the link, and then we can share it and invite people on computer. So click Create Album and give the album a name. I'm just going to call this Test. Then we can go ahead and either click Add Photos if we want to add photos already from the computer. If we don't have any yet, we can just simply go back. Then you should be able to see the album. So as you can see, we've got the test album. Now what we can do is click on the More options in the top right. You can then click Share Album. Then you'll be able to either invite people using your contacts on Google, or you can invite them by writing their email and sending an invite that way. What I would do though is click Create Link in the bottom left hand corner, then click Create Link. This will create a shareable link which you can go ahead and copy and send to people. Go ahead and send this link in your group chats or just to people directly on Facebook, WhatsApp, or any communication platform. They'll then be able to open this link on their phone. If they have Google Photos downloaded, it'll be taken to the app and they can then upload and share photos. If they don't have it downloaded, it will take them to the web version and again they can upload and share photos.